Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture we have learned about how to access element from hash, and today we will learn about keys method in hash. This method will fetch the keys from our hash and return its array. So suppose I want to perform some action that will fetch all the keys from my hash. So in this scenario we are using this key method. Here in example you will see that I have created one hash with two elements. There are two keys available into that hash. Now I am performing the key method. So my hash variable name dot the method, that is key, and it will return me an array with two keys. Now I am using my first method, that is keys, on my hash variable. So my variable name, that is my hash dot my method name, that is keys, and this will return an array. Here you can see this method returns one array that is having two values, and these two are the keys of my hash, 1 and here is 2. So this is how we can use method keys when we want to fetch the keys from our hash. In next lecture we will learn about values method of hash.